Hey guys, and welcome in a brand new video of Unlock Trading. Today I will show you a new scalping strategy executed on a 1-minute time frame. This strategy can be used on the crypto, forex and stocks market. Before we can continue, we must add the indicators and configure them. The first indicator we will have to add is the moving average exponential. So we go to the indicators tab. We can just type EMA. We will add the first indicator made by Tradingview. We have to change some settings for the EMA. So we will navigate to the settings and inputs. We will change the length to 200. In style we will make the EMA white and a little bit thicker. So now you can save it. The next indicator we will have to add is the Monster Breakout Index. At the first indicator. We don't have to change any settings on this indicator. The next indicator we will have to add is the Supertrend. We will not add the regular Supertrend, but the Supertrend by Givenchy. Now all our indicators are ready, we can go to the steps for opening a long position. Make sure to watch the video until the end, where I test the strategy 100 times and share the results with you. Before we can open a long position, we must check the moving average. If the market is moving above the moving average, we can only open long positions. If the market is moving under the moving average, we can only open short positions. Over here we can see the market is moving above the moving average, so we can open long positions. Next we will wait on a buy signal from the Supertrend. But before we open, we want a confirmation. For the confirmation we will look to the Monster Breakout Index. We will enter at the first green candle that appears if the market is still moving above the moving average. So over here you can see there's a first green candle on the Monster Breakout Index. So we will enter at the close of this candle. So we can enter here. We will place your stop loss at the Supertrend. So the Supertrend is over here. And we will target a risk to reward ratio of 2. The most trades closed under an hour, but this trade took a bit longer. It closed in 3 hours and 30 minutes with a 110% profit. If you use leverage, for example 10x, you will make 11% in only 3 hours and 30 minutes. We will see another example of a long position. So over here the market is moving above the moving average, so we will wait on a buy signal. But you can see on the Monster Breakout Index there is no green candle. So we will wait for the first green candle to pop up. You can see a green candle over here. So we will enter a long position on this candle, since the market is still moving above the moving average. You will place your stop loss on the Supertrend. We will target a risk to reward ratio of 2. You can see this trade closed much faster in only 4 minutes with a 0.31% profit. But before we continue, I want to introduce you to BitGet. BitGet is one of the most fast growing exchanges out there at the moment. You can do spot trading, futures trading, but also copy trading. With copy trading you can copy professional traders on the platform. This is fully automated and you don't have to manually enter trades. If you register using the link in the description, you can receive up to $5,005 bonus by doing simply tasks. The user interface looks much better than other exchanges, but the website is still much faster than other trading platforms I used. Like any advanced futures trading platform, you can open limit market trailing stop loss, open and close orders. You also have a leverage option, so you can make up to 125 times more per trade. Check the link in the description to receive a bonus. For a short position we want to see the market moving below the moving average. Next we will wait on a sell signal. Then we will look to the Monster Breakout Index. And we will enter at the first red candle we see. So we will open a short position. Place your stop loss on the Supertrend. And you will take profit on the risk to reward ratio of 2. This trade closed in 15 minutes with a 0.4% profit. Over here we can see another example of a short trade. So the market is moving below the moving average. Next we will wait on a sell signal. Then we will look to the Monster Breakout Index and enter at the first red candle, so over here. So we will enter at the close of this candle. Place your stop loss on the Supertrend. And you'll take profit on the risk to reward ratio of 2. This trade closed in 21 minutes with a 0.26% profit. Now I will test the strategy 100 times and share the results with you. In the backtest I had 64 wins and 36 losses, so we have a win rate of 64%. But remember, we use a 2 risk to reward ratio. This means the value of 1 win is 2 stop losses back. So in total we have the value of 92 stop losses back in profit. And totally I have 87% profit without leverage. So if I had to use, for example, leverage of 10x, I will make 870% profit. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. If this video helped you out, make sure to like. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you next time.